Hi! If you are using Unity's high-definition rendering pipeline and notice strange effects when certain transparent materials are at the edges of the frame, access the currently active volume object and add a screen space reflection override. Then, minimize the value of the screen weight distance parameter found there. The high-definition rendering pipeline defaults to screen space reflection when using materials with a transparent surface type. In most cases, this should resolve the issue. Volume objects are located in the project, so you can use the search field in that tab to find these objects. In my case, I located it by double-clicking the Profile field in the Environment tab of the Lighting window. Before saying goodbye, I remind you that, as often happens with my video tutorials, the text version of this video tutorial is available for free download at the link provided in the description. Well, that's all for this very short tutorial. I hope it can be useful to you. See you soon!